Hello. A couple of days ago I found these locks for very cheap at my local thrift store. Almost all of them has keys except this one. Very fun find. I've been looking at that shop for a while. Never found locks, but this time I got lucky. Really like the look of this one, the Veru. But I won't be picking those today. I'm going to pick this one, the bumper block disc or something. I've seen some use. I think these are used on the disc brakes of scooters or bikes. Not really sure, but never used it myself. But it is a tubular lock, and I've never picked one before, and just recently got myself a nice tensioner for it, for those types of locks. Just pushed it away, of course. Well, I'll find it. I do have the keys for these. Where were they? Right here. So, as you can see, it still works. Yep. So let's put it in the vise and let's see if I can pick it. I think there are a couple of steps. You have to pick it twice to pick it open. And I might as well pick it closed again, because there's the tension wrench, this one. It works very well. Let's adjust the light a little bit. That should be working, so you can see the pins. I don't have anything special, so I'll just use this half diamond to push the pins in. It's pretty straightforward, all standards. I can't get it, but you can feel it. Place the tensioner like this, tension, and just push the binding pins down. Springy, springy, springy. Let's find the binder. I think. Well, that's interesting. I know what I'm doing wrong, because this lock doesn't open clockwise, it opens counterclockwise. So, well. That one was binding, but not anymore. This one. And it's set. I picked it before and I had the feeling, maybe because the lock is worn, but the pins act a little bit tapered. So I'll have to push them a couple of times usually before it's open. There are 7 pins, but I only have to pick 7 the first time. After that I only have to pick 6 ones. So this is step 1. This one over here doesn't have to be picked this time, so let's try the rest. Try not to block the view with my hand. All pins have been set once, but or something dropped, or they are a bit tapered. I think this one. Well, it is springy, so let's not push that any further. And it's open, as you can see. Well, now let's change the tensioner and pick it closed again, because as you can see now it's open. The key won't fit anymore because it has to go in through that extra opening. It's this part of the key is too big to fit. That way. This is a little bit awkward, but I'll make it work. Let's see. I think I'm not able to. Oh, I am able to reach that pin. Just. Tensioner is a little bit in the way, so I'm going to reposition it like this is better. Yep. Let's set as well. Still loose. Set. Maybe this one. No. So let's tap some pins that have already been set. I have overset something. Which one of you is binding? None of them. See if I can drop something, because I think I overset something. This is a little bit more uncomfortable because there's this spring that wants to push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I thought I was missing a pin there. Something is off. Let's see. Springy. Binding, springy. Binding, springy. Binding, I think. Springy. 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 I guess I just need some more tension. Let's try that. That did something for that pin. That's binding now. That's this one. Okay. This is what I meant by they feel a bit tapered, because I need a lot of tension this way round. And there we go, that's step one. Okay. And final step. This one's binding. Springy now. Set. Not binding. This one's binding. Yep, that's set. Aren't we there yet? Got a little core movement, so I think I'm getting close. And it's closed again. Won't go any further than this. But as you can see with the key, it does go in and it does open the lock. So took a while to get it open and close, but that's basically mostly because it's a bit awkward. Needed a lot of tension, but it's a fun pick. Fun to have tried this one time. Have a nice day.